Hi everyone. I hope my voice is clear now and everyone can see me. Okay. So we'll just start in 1 minute. Just give me a minute, okay? I'm just coming back and we'll start it. Just give me 1 minute. We'll start it. Okay. So in the last lecture, we have seen how you can download the Oracle VirtualBox. I hope my voice is clear and everyone. Okay. So there was some issue in the internet and now I think everyone must be able to hear me properly. Okay, so thank you so much for joining this again. We will we have already started about how to install the Ubuntu operating system, and we are also going to talk about the things related to the Ubuntu operating system, like how it is going to happen and all. Okay, so we will do that. Let's try to understand the next part. Okay, so I completely understand that some of the people might be facing the issues while doing the installation of Ubuntu, and I see that most of the people, they have successfully installed the Ubuntu operating system. So if you have done this Ubuntu operating system for the first time, and if you are able to see that screen, then you should be really happy, because if you know how to install the one operating system, if you know how to install the one operating system, then you can easily install the other operating system also. So all the operating systems installation is almost same. There will not be much difference. So if you know how to install it on one operating system, most of the things will be same. Okay, now if you get some black screen kind of issues, okay, let's take an example. Few people I see that they are getting the black screen kind of issues. This is because of the resolution. Maybe you have not used the correct resolution, and that is the reason you are not able to do that. So make sure that you are using the correct resolution. Okay, again, as I'm saying that, please utilize this training. This will be really helpful for you if you want to start your journey into the IT industry. And just wanted to tell you one more update that yesterday morning we got a message from one of my student that um, she has been awarded as the employee of the year while working as a Oracle DBA. And why I'm telling you all these things, because I remember that when she joined us, she was having, you know, around 8 years of gap in her career. So she got trained under us, and then she joined one of the company. And so there are many people, they are working as a Oracle DBA, they are getting, selected into the DBA. But she's quite special for us because she resumed her career after a huge gap, and now she's one of the best employee in her team. So obviously, like, we should, appreciate that things. So in the life, if you get, maybe you people have not got the opportunity maybe on that time, but this is the right time, where you can resume your career. Okay, so let's talk uh, let's talk, and let me share my screen again. Those people who are joining for the first time, I want to tell you that we have a YouTube channel is also available with the name Learnomate Technologies. So you can go to our Learnomate Technologies YouTube channel, and you can see here that there are multiple free of cost courses are there. There are multiple videos you will find which will definitely, increase your knowledge in terms of Oracle DBA. I have one more YouTube channel is there. So this YouTube channel Learnomate Technologies is available in the English language. So if you think that you are not much comfortable with the English and you would like to listen us in the Hindi language, so we have one more YouTube channel is there with the name Engineer Ankush. So this is my another YouTube channel is there which is with the name Engineer Ankush, where I used to talk about the things related to the where I talk about the things related to the IT industry. So you can subscribe to this channel also. This is also a YouTube channel where I have shared the link in the description of this video. So you can go to this YouTube channel, you can enroll to this, where I talked about many things related to the IT industry. And especially this will be because I thought like there is a huge audience is there where the people want to talk in their local language. So I have created this YouTube channel with the name Engineer Ankush. This is specially for the people who would like to listen me in the Hindi. So we have another YouTube channel is there, which is the main YouTube channel, that is called Learnomate, and that is specially in the English because it's a very old channel and I created long back. So again, like, both channels are there. You can go and subscribe to both the channels. Both the channels are definitely going to increase a huge amount of knowledge in your career. Okay, so please utilize that and try to see. You can also join our WhatsApp group, Telegram group. You can see the link available in the description of this video. In the comment section you can see. So whenever we have any job vacancies, whenever we have any updates available, you can get all that updates. Okay, you can get all that updates over the WhatsApp group. So that is the plan. Now let's come back and talk about the technical terms. Okay, so those people who are first of all, like, joining maybe for the first time, you can go to our YouTube channel. There are multiple videos we have created starting from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. This is the day 5. So please utilize that. Okay, and try to understand these technologies. Again, it's completely free of cost. You don't need to pay a single rupees to understand about these technologies. Okay, now, so what we have done till now, let's try to understand that. So we have installed the Oracle VirtualBox, right? We have installed the Oracle VirtualBox, and then on this Oracle VirtualBox we have installed the Ubuntu operating system, right? We have installed this Ubuntu. As I'm saying that if you know how to install the Ubuntu operating system, you can install any other operating system. Maybe if you joined us for the Oracle DBA training, there I will show you how to install Oracle Linux also. There is one more operating system is there. We called it as a Oracle Linux. So most of the real-time production environment, people are using Oracle Linux as an operating system. So there I will show you how to install Oracle Linux. But if you know how to install Ubuntu, then Oracle Linux also you can install. It's pretty much simple, straightforward. And if you know how to install one operating system, you can install any other operating system. Okay. Now, in our Oracle DBA training, I will talk about how to install Oracle Linux. Even some people are also using Red Hat Linux. Red Hat Linux. If I want to show you how Oracle Linux looks like, which is mostly used in real-time production environment, then I will show you like this here. So here, this is a Oracle Linux, guys. Okay, let me log in here. I'm just showing you from my another setup. This is the Oracle Linux, means the Linux operating system created by the Oracle company. So this is how it looks. I can show you both the operating system. Like if I go to the, if I just open the virtual box, this is my Oracle virtual box, and I can run multiple operating system at a time. Not an issue, not a problem. Okay. So this is a Oracle Linux. Okay. And let me show you your operating system for which I have done that. So your is Ubuntu free webinar. Let me start this machine. So that's the life, you know. Whenever you want to do a practice of Ubuntu, you can just go here, click on the start button, and it will start your Ubuntu machine. Whenever you think that okay, you want to learn about the Oracle DBA, you can start Oracle DBA machine. Okay. So now what I'm doing, I have ran both the machines. So here you can see this is my Oracle Linux. Oracle Linux and Ubuntu both are similar kind of operating system. Both looks almost same. Only the color get changed. Here you see little green color. Is it a green? I don't know. Or you can see mostly a red kind of color. Okay. But all are both are same. Again, I'm saying like all the Linux operating systems are same. Little bit they make the changes. Okay. Now this is the Ubuntu operating system you might have received. Click on the Learnomate and log in here with the help of Learnomate password. So Learnomate password we have entered it as Oracle. If you remember my Learnomate password, we have entered it as Oracle. So I just press enter, and now you can see it's getting. So this is the screen. I hope most of the people you must have received. Okay. Are you guys with me till this screen? Are you guys with me till this screen? Are you guys with me till this screen? Please do not raise the hand. Just say yes in the chat option. People who raise the hand, we are removing them. Just say it. Great. So it's a very nice to see that you people are following me, and see how many people are able to do the installation of Ubuntu successfully. You don't know how many yes I have received. It's more than 200 plus yes are there. 200 plus yes are there over my screen. I'll show you guys, like, you know, seriously, like these many people are able to, you know, these many people are there who are able to complete the installation of Ubuntu. So I'm really happy to see that whatever I'm giving the training, you people are taking it seriously, and I hope somewhere I am helping you to make your career in a brighter way. I'm really thankful to myself only. अच्छा लगता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, let's do that. Now see guys, so this is the screen. This is my Ubuntu screen. Okay, what is this? This is my Ubuntu operating system. Now I want to run my command. I want to run my command over here. So how to run the command, I'll tell you. You can just right click and there is an option called open in terminal is there. What is that option? Open in terminal. What is that option? Open in terminal. If you just right click and open a terminal, you will see the terminal like this. So if you are able to see the terminal like this, then if you are able to see the terminal like this, so this is where you are going to run your command. This is the software, this is a tools, utility, whatever you want to say, where you are going to learn our Linux command. Now we are going to learn about our first Linux command. Okay, now we are going to learn about a first Linux command. Okay, there are many people, those who are reaching out to me. I'll tell you one example. There are many people in this free webinar. I see people are saying that we want to start the career as a Oracle DBA, so they need some free guidance. So people, if you think that you want some free guidance related to the Oracle DBA, okay, there are two things are there. One is go to my YouTube channel. Okay, go to my YouTube channel, and there are multiple videos you will find where I discuss about Oracle DBA, like what is Oracle DBA. So there is a demo lecture you will find on my YouTube channel. If you, let me show you here. Okay, let me take the, if you go here and let me go to my YouTube channel, I'll show you one thing. Just give me a minute. We will continue our class, but since I'm getting a lot of requests from you people, let me show you that part also. So let me show you if I have any demo here. Somewhere I will be having demo. Okay, so you take this example. Okay, so if you go here, okay, let me share. Let me click on the share button, copy it. Okay, and let me go here. So I have just entered one URL. Okay, you can go there. So I have entered one URL in your chat option. So this URL will talk about what is Oracle DBA. Okay, so if you want to know about what is Oracle DBA, how is the career of Oracle DBA, I have given 1 hour of Oracle DBA demo, guys. Or maybe in future I will try to take one more demo for you. Okay, so let me finish my this SQL and Linux free training, and then I will discuss about what is Oracle DB, how is the career. Many people may have questions related to how is the package, what is our responsibility as a Oracle DBA. All these questions I will take. It will be interactive class and we will discuss about that. So for now you can just visit this demo which I have given you in the chat option. That is one thing. Second thing is, if you think that you are coming, like let's say you are coming from Pune location, so you can visit our office also. We have our office available in Pune location. Okay, it's available in Pune. So those people who are coming from Pune location, they can visit our office. My team is there, they will give you free of cost guidance over there. Okay, that's the second thing. Third thing is that if you are coming from a different state, or maybe you are not staying nearby to Pune, you can also call my team. Okay, or call us on, or WhatsApp us on 77570 on this number. Or 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 if you think that this number is not reachable by any chance, okay, this number is not reachable by any chance, then you can also reach out to the another number. Let me show you that number also. Just give me a minute. I don't remember that second number. Okay, so that second number is also available here. You can WhatsApp to both the number. Okay, both the numbers are there, so you can take any one number and you can just, office address you can get it from the Google. Just go to the map and search here with the Learnomate technologies. Go to the map and search with the Learnomate technologies. You will you will get a location. In Pune it is available in the Bhumkar Chowk. Okay, Wakad location, Wakad. Anyway, now let's come back and try to understand the next part. Okay, so these are my numbers are there, guys. Okay, so those people who are interested, they can come and you can visit our office. You will see many, these sessions are always going on in our office. If I get a chance, I will show you some of the photos or maybe videos from our office. So many people are visiting and we always take the webinars on SQL and Linux, and that too in offline. So I'll tell you one more thing, like 3 days back there are three friends basically. They started from the Hyderabad location and they visited us in Pune, and then on the same day they traveled back. So they just came to visit. So it was also a nice experience for us. Now let's try to understand the next part. So we have this Ubuntu is there. Let me log in with Oracle. Sorry, let me log in with Learnomate password. So I am just logged in here. Now let's try to understand the next part. If you want to take the snapshot of this, you can take a snapshot by using your mobile. If you want to take the snapshot, take the snapshot and right away, then you will not get a chance. Let me see if I can take. Okay, so let me share it to your chat option. Okay, so I have shared it. Okay, so you can get it from there. Now let's come back and try to understand the next part. See, the first command that we are going to learn in the Linux operating system is, we called it as a pwd. What is this? In the Linux world we called it as a present working directory. Now what is this? I'm sorry, I think there was some network issue. Let me come back. Okay, why network issue is coming today? Now you guys can hear me. Can you please confirm once if you guys can hear me? Yes. Okay, nice. Now, yeah, right now in Pune it's raining like anything. Because of that the network is not that good. Anyway, so what is mean by pwd? What is mean by present working directory? I'll tell you one example. If you want to understand this pwd command, see, if you whenever you want to learn about the Linux operating system, you should always compare it with the Windows operating system. So why I'm telling you to compare it with the Windows operating system? Because see, if you already using this Windows operating system like from the so many years, right? So you can easily understand that. Now you try to understand this Windows operating system. If I'm asking you one question, hi, can you please tell me what is my present working directory in Windows? So you will say that E drive Oracle 19C. This is my present working directory. If I'm just double clicking on it on the staging folder, and if I'm asking you what is your present working directory, so you will see it on the top and you will see that, okay, currently I am available inside E drive Oracle 19c staging. So this is my present working directory. If I'm asking you where are you right now, my present working directory under the staging folder, there is a CV folder is there. So wherever you are, whatever your present working directory, you can see the files and folder from that present working directory. See, if I'm coming back to the staging, I can see the files of the staging. If I'm going inside the bin, I can see the files of bin directory. So this bin is my present working directory. In Windows, whenever you want to know what is your present working directory, you can go on the top and you can say that, okay, this is my present working directory. But in Linux, how will you come to know that what is your present working directory? If you want to know in Linux what is your present working directory, then you need to fire a command like pwd. So pwd is the command. What is this? Pwd is the command which will talk about what is your present working directory. So if someone is asking you what is my present working directory in Linux, the command is pwd. And what it is giving? It is giving me a path. So what is my path? There is a home folder. Under home folder there is a Learnomate folder. Under Learnomate folder there is a desktop folder is there. So this desktop is my present working directory. If someone is asking me that, can you please explain me this path? So what is this path? See, in Linux what will happen? All the path will be start from your root. What is this? Root. When I fire a command like pwd, I got the slash home slash learnomate, okay, and then slash desktop. This is the output I got after firing pwd command. So what is this? In normally Windows, what happen? All your partitions will be like your C drive will be there, D drive will be there, E drive will be there, F drive will be there. Like we will have a partition like C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. But in Linux, what will happen? All the folders will be created under root partition. So this is my first, whatever first slash you see, that is my root partitions. So under a root, there is a folder called home folder. Under a home, there is a folder called Learnomate folder. Under a Learnomate folder, there is a folder called desktop folder. And when I fire pwd command, I got desktop. It means I am inside the desktop of Learnomate user. Whenever you create any user, like last time we created one user with the name Learnomate, right? Every user will have a desktop. Like in my Windows, this is my Windows desktop. Same way, this is my Learnomate desktop. If someone is asking me, this is my Learnomate desktop, this is my Learnomate desktop. But where is the path? The path is this one. This is the path of desktop. This is what is the complete path of desktop? Slash home. So there is a folder called home. Under home there is a folder called Learnomate. Under the Learnomate there is a folder called desktop. And this is my the present working directory. So all the folder structure in Linux will start from the root only, not this root, the first root only. Under the root there is a home folder. Under the home folder there is a Learnomate folder. Under the Learnomate folder there is a desktop folder. You can see over here. Okay, so what is the command? Pwd will tell you about what are all the files available. Pwd is the command. It will show you what is the location, what is your present working directory. So my present working directory is desktop. Are you able to understand, guys? Can you please try this? Please try this on your laptop and let me know once it is done. Please fire this command. Everyone should be able to get the output. Let me know once it is done. Great. Everyone is able to do. Okay. Now, okay. We got to know about the PWD command. What is that? Present working directive. Present working directive. Now let's come back to the Windows. Okay. If someone is asking you what is my present working directive, then you will say that this is my present working directive. This is my present working directive. All the commands you need to fire in small, not in capital letters, small letters only. Okay, so cap should not be on. Now what is my present working directive here? This is my present working directive. And whenever you are here in this location, you can see the files, you can see the files from that directive. Correct, you can see the files from that directive. Let's say I'm going one step back, I'm clicking on the class recording, so you can see the files and directive from the class recording. If I'm going one step back, so this is my present working directive and I can see the files from that directive. So what I mean to say, let's say, let's say I am here, let's say I am inside the Ubuntu and my current location is desktop. So can I see the files from the desktop? Yes, I can see the files from the desktop. What is the command to see the files from the desktop? There is a command called ls-lrt. When I fire this command, I got to know that total is 0. It means in the desktop location, there is no files available. What is this ls-lrt? ls-lrt will list down the files, from that location. How many files are there? There is no files available in that location. That is the reason you are not able to see. Now let's assume that there is one file is available. Just take an example. If there is any file, available, I will be able to see that files over here. Now third command we are going to learn is how to create a directory. Just take an example. I am inside a desktop. And under a desktop I want to create a directory. Now what is directory? Directory is basically your folder. Directory is like a folder. Let's say someone asking you to create a folder. So if someone is asking you to create a folder in F drive, how are you going to create? Right click and create new and folder. But in Linux, you cannot create a folder like this. In Linux, you cannot create a folder like this. So how to create a folder in Linux? If you want to create a folder in Linux operating system, you need to use command. And what is that command? Whenever you want to create a folder in Linux, there is a command called mkdir and folder name. Let's say the folder name is dir1. This folder in Linux, we called it as a directory. What we called it as? Directory. So let's say there is a command called mkdir and the directory name. The directory name is dir1. So if I want to create a folder under a desktop location, because right now I am inside the desktop, so there is a command called mkdir and folder name. Folder name you can give anything. If I use this command mkdir dir1 and press enter, what you need to do? Press enter. You can see the dir1 folder has been created under this desktop. Can you see? You can see there is a dir1 folder got created under the desktop because this is your GUI. So you can see there is a folder got created. Why I'm not creating a folder like this? Right click and new folder, because in real-time production environment you will not see the GUI like this. You will only see the black screen. You know how this black screen will looks? This is the black screen it will show in real-time production environment. The command that you see over here in my screen right now, this is a real-time production environment. You will only see the black screen like this. So whenever you want to create a folder, you should know how to create a folder. What is the command to create a folder? mkdir and folder name. See here, the directive1 has been created. Let's say I want to create one more folder. I'll say mkdir and dir2. See here, the second folder has been created automatically. Are you able to understand, guys? Okay, please do that. Please create two folder, directive1 and directive2. Please create these two folder, directive1 and directive2. And let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. I'm able to see that everyone is able to do. Correct. See, I see everyone is very, very good. Okay. I see people are doing very honestly. You people have the, you people have the, that guts to get into the IT industry. If you are able to follow me, you can definitely get a job. Okay. So make sure that follow me. You don't need to just follow me. Whoever is good, whoever, like, okay, there are multiple good trainers are there surrounded by us. So try to follow the person. There are many people are there. Okay. So they will discuss about that. Now, everyone, what is this ls-lrt command will do? ls-lrt command will list the directories and files from the present working directory. See here, earlier when I fire ls-lrt command, I got total 0, means there is no directory available. But now, just now we have created two directories, right? So if I do ls-lrt, can I see that two directory here? See, I got the directory 1 and directory 2 we created, right? You can see the directory that you created. Try to run ls-lrt now. You should be able to see. You should be able to see directory 1 and directory 2. ls-lrt command will show you the list of directories and files available in that location. I want to see what are all files are available there. I want to see. See, in Windows you can directly see the files and folder. Are you able to see, everyone? अरे बाप रे, नहीं भी आ रही यार. Great. Great. So there is one question like why we are able to see total 8 over here, right? There is a question like why total 8. So this 8 is not the count of total number of files and directory. It's not a count. It is basically how many, it is basically what is this? It is basically the number of block. Internally what happened, this directive 1 and directive 2, it will consume some space from your operating system. So how much space it has consumed, that is that number of block. That number of block it has consumed, it as 8. What is that? It's a number of block which has been consumed. It's a number of block which has been consumed by your this 2 folder. That is the reason it is showing it as 8 KB basically. Okay, that is the reason 8 is mentioned there. All right, now I hope everyone must be clear now. So it's not a total number of folder and all. Okay, it is basically the space which is used by the directive 1 and directive 2. When you create some directory or a file, it will consume some space. Okay, so what that is that space. So what is mkdir? Mkdir is make a directory. I want to make a directory. What I want to do, I want to make a directory. mkdir is make a directory. What directory I want to create? Now there will be a question in your mind that, okay, see, how will I understand that whether it is a directory or it is a file? How will I understand that in Linux whether it is a directory or it is a file? Like here in Windows, I can clearly say that, okay, these are the folders are there. If I go inside that, these are the folders are there. If I go inside that, these are not a folder. This is a file. But in Linux, everything is like, how will I come to know that whether it is a directory or it is a file? In Linux, how will I come to know that whether it is a directory or it is a file? So you can see that I have given the name dir1 and dir2, but by the name you cannot say name. I can give anything. Okay. If you want to know that whether it is a directory or file, see, if I double click on it, it will not go inside that folder. It's not a Windows. In Windows, what will happen? If you double click on the folder, you will go inside that folder, but it's a Linux. You cannot go inside the folder. So in that case, how will you understand? By looking to this D. If you see D here initially, if you see D here, it means it's a directory. And what is directory? Directory is basically a folder in Linux. Whenever you fire ls-lrt command to list down the directory 1 and directory 2, you can see, if you see D there, it means it is a folder. It's a directory. It's a directory. Directory is always start with the D. Directory is always start with the D. So you'll understand that, okay, it is a folder. Now if you take the example of folder, okay, if you take the example of folder, normally in Windows, what will happen if I want to go inside the folder? Let's say I want to go inside this folder. So what you will do? You will double click on it, right? If you want to go inside this another folder, you will double click on it. You will double click on it. So if you want to go inside a folder, what you are doing in Windows, you are double clicking on it. But if I want to go inside, a folder in Linux, there is a command called, what is that command? There is a command called cd folder. Cd, that is called change directory. See, right now, where I'm right now I am inside the desktop and I want to go inside the directory 1. So I'll say dir1. So if you see here, my present working directory has been changed. Earlier I was inside the desktop, but now I am inside the directory 1. You can see here also, I am inside the directory 1. It's happening in the Windows also. You take an example. See, currently I am inside the Ubuntu June folder, but if I double click on it, I am going inside the log folder, and then I can see the files from the log folder. Same way in Linux, if you are going inside the folder, how to go inside the folder? By using cd command. What is the command to go inside the folder? Cd command. You do one thing, guys, you must have created two directories, right? Directory 1 and directory 2. Go inside that folder. Go inside that folder and let me know once it is done. Go to the directory 1 and fire pwd command. You should be able to see the path like this. pwd is present working directory. cd is change directory. What is this? Change means you are changing your directory. You are going inside that directory. It's a change directory. Please do that and let me know. Say done. Say done once it is done. Everyone go inside that folder and say done. Change directory. You need to do change directory. Change directory. Okay. Change directory. So you have created directory 1. Okay. Now let's assume that I want to create directory 3 and directory 4. I want to create directory 3. Tell me where this directory will be created. I want to create directory 3. So what is the command to create a directory 3? mkdir dir 3 directory name. Where this directory will be created? This directory will be created under dir1. Where? dir1, because I am inside the dir1 now. So if I fire this command, the dir3 will be created under dir1 because I am inside the dir1 now. How you will come to know that? ls-lrt. If you fire ls-lrt, you can see here that under the dir1, dir3 is there. Why this dir3 has been created under dir1? Because my present working directory was dir1. Please try to create dir3, everyone. Please try to create dir3 under dir1 and let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. Please try to create dir3. The dir3 should be created under dir1. dir3 should be created under dir1. Is it done, everyone? Say yes. Okay, nice. Okay, good, good, good. Acha. Okay. So are you able to understand whatever we are discussing? I hope everyone is able to understand. Can you please say yes? Are you able to understand? Okay, nice. Nice. Everyone is able to. If you want to see ls-lrt, ls-lrt is the command. Okay. ls-lrt is the command. Okay, great. Let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. Create now go inside the dir3. How to go inside the dir3? cd dir3. Go inside the dir3. You can see what is my command. cd dir3. Go inside the dir3 and let's create dir4. mkdir dir4. mkdir dir4. Under dir3 I have created dir4. Okay, see what I did. Under dir3 I created dir4. So I need to go inside the dir3. I need to go inside the dir3. Okay, go there and let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. Go inside the dir3 and create dir4. Go inside the dir3 and create dir4. Go inside the dir3 and create dir4. Is it done, everyone? Great. Okay, great. Okay. There will be a situations where I need to go one step back. Like, let's say my present working directory is this folder, and I want to go one step back. So what I will do, I'll click on class recording. Let's say I want to go one step back again, I will click on F. Let's say I want to go one step back, I will click on this PC. Whenever you want to go one step back, the command is, whenever, see what is my present working directory, dir3, and I want to go back to the dir1. So what I will do, I'll fire cd dot dot cd dot dot. So currently my location is dir1. You can also cross check by using pwd command. See, my present working directory is dir1. If I want to go one step back, I will say cd dot dot. So my present working directory is desktop now. If I created any folder, it will be created under desktop now. Fire this command cd dot dot and try to do pwd. It will show you where are you right now. Where are you right now? Go one step back. Where are you right now? Go one step back. Cd dot dot cd space dot dot cd space dot dot cd space dot dot. Cd space dot dot. Is it done? Is it done, guys? Done? Everyone? Done. Great. Cd space dot dot. Done. Is it done, everyone? Great. Great. Please share it with your friends, colleagues, everyone, to ask them to join this session daily. You will learn a lot of things here. And you can also learn from our YouTube channel. I have already shared you both the YouTube channel link. You can join to the Learnomate Technologies, and those people who want to listen me in Hindi, they can join Engineer Ankush YouTube channel also. Both the channels are really good. Okay. So that's the plan, that's the plan, guys. I hope you people are able to understand the SQL. Not SQL, we have not started it. For my first plan is like, I'm going to start with the Linux, which we already started. So okay, once we are done with the Linux, and then we are going to start with the Linux also, SQL also. So both the technologies are pretty much simple. I will try to make it as much as simple from my side, but you need to keep on doing the practice. Okay. So what I'm suggesting you that you should start reading the SQL and Linux from multiple other platform. Like you can go for YouTube, you can go for Udemy courses are there, or again I am also there, obviously I am there. So if you want to know more about the SQL and Linux, you can, as much as you can get, so you can try to understand about that. So Oracle DBA training, like you can check with the Learnomate team. I have already given the number, but this is a free SQL and Linux class where we are not talking about the Oracle DBA. Maybe in future, if I get some time, so I will try to talk about the Oracle DBA also in this free webinar only. So we will discuss about that. Right now, I don't have any plan, or we have not decided anything about the Oracle DBA, but we have decided about the free SQL and Linux. So please try to utilize this time. Okay, try to understand about that, and there are multiple vacancies you will find based on the SQL and Linux. And if you understand this SQL and Linux, so in future you can look forward yourself to start your career in the Oracle DBA. Obviously Oracle DBA is a nice platform to start your journey into the IT industry. There is a platform like application support, Linux administrator, SQL developer, multiple platforms are there. So you choose your own way, and you can try to understand about the things. Oracle DBA demos I have already shared in the chat options. You will also get it from the WhatsApp group, or you can check with my team. They will also help you with the Oracle DBA. So what I'm saying that, first of all, think like where you want to go. Okay, you need to understand your own path. Okay, we are here to help you out, we are here to guide you, but at the end you need to do the practice and you need to crack the interview. What I can do from my side, like, I can share you the knowledge, whatever I'm having, that I can share you more. So we have already started sharing the knowledge about SQL and Linux, which is again uh, from my side. So I will try to share again in future also. Again, if you want to know more and more, you can visit the YouTube channel which I told you. You can visit this Learnomate Technologies and Engineer Ankush. Both the YouTube channels will definitely increase your confidence to get into the IT industry. As I said earlier, today yesterday morning itself I got an call from the student, like, she has been selected. Not only just selected, she has been honored with the kind of um, very good performance in the year. So we will, so not only just the people are doing, they are really really doing great. Okay, so today we discuss about the commands like cd command, which is a chain directory. We discuss about the pwd command, which is present working directory. We discuss about how to create a directory and all. Okay, so I will talk about this command again and again. I will make sure that you people will understand that thoroughly. But only the thing is, you need to you need to follow us. Okay, just follow us on our YouTube channel. Just follow. If you have any questions, queries, anything just related to the Oracle DBA, you can reach out to my team. Okay, my team will help you. You can also join our WhatsApp group, Telegram group. So my team will share the demo related to the Oracle DBA and Oracle DBA and other technologies. So if you are interested to join that training, you can definitely join that training also. So thanks for being here. Again, we will connect uh, tomorrow. Okay, and tomorrow which day? Tomorrow it's Thursday, right? So I will let you know in the WhatsApp group what will be the update for tomorrow's class. Okay, so you will get all the updates in WhatsApp group as well as this in Telegram group. Okay, so keep joining this group so that we can notify you about the trainings and everything. Okay, and about the related jobs also. I hope you people enjoyed the today's session, and again, thank you so much for listening me, and keep doing hard work. Okay, we will connect soon. Okay, thanks, bye bye guys. Thank you.